Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change display names in Roblox for free. What you need to do, first just go to roblox.com. As you can see here, this is my display name, Willie24111987. If you don't like your name and you want to change it, then just click in the settings icon and then settings. Here is the account info. Display name and username is the same. In the display name, just click here in the pencil icon, and now you can change your display name. But just keep in mind, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. That means if you change your name now, you cannot change it within 7 days. Now let me just change the name. For example, boy 100. If I am satisfied with the name, just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to change display names in Roblox. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.